Hello there YouTubers, welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. Today we're doing a review on the great value LED flame bulb. This is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to show you how it works and how it looks. It can point up or down, so the flame will automatically adjust so it'll look correctly, and it has 3 different modes, and we're going to test those 3 different modes outside. It has flickering flame, that's mode number 1, general vintage lighting, that's mode number 2, and then continuous fade and fade. Fade light, it goes from up, full brightness, and then it dims out to 0 brightness. So let's go outside and see how it looks. Okay, this is flicker mode. You can't see it correctly because my phone will not allow you to see it, but you do see the flame effect. Okay, this is continuous fade. Now let's try the other mode. And this is the solid color, so it doesn't change, it just stays that color. Okay, so let's go back in. Okay, we are back from outside. So my conclusion is that it's a great product. I do like it and I do recommend it 100%. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.